How to easily fix Windows cannot find your programs and games or app you want. Uninstall error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's begin. First navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Type in Control Panel. Under Mismatch you will get Control Panel. Click on Open button at right side. Once it opens, select Programs and Features option. Then you will land on this Uninstall or Change the Program page where you can easily select any app in order to install. Now you simply need to select it and then right click on the particular application. Then you can hit uninstall and Windows will realize the app doesn't exist anymore and it can be safely deleted. So that's how you can easily fix Windows cannot find your programs and games you want to uninstall error in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.